Hi there, my name is Kassia Fiedor and I'm a holistic nutritionist, a private chef, as well as an herbalist. So as you can imagine, living a non-toxic lifestyle is very important to me. And today I wanted to share with you the myWoolly pillow from Sleep and Beyond. I'm in love with this pillow. So first of all, wool is extremely sustainable. It's one of the best options you can get for your bedding. I mean, you spend 8 hours of your life in bed, right? Hopefully. So it's really important what you're breathing in and what's touching your skin, because that's our biggest organ in our body. So if you're absorbing toxins, pesticides from something that's not organic and not natural, then that can be really harmful if you're spending 8 hours in bed every day. So this is the myWoolly pillow. Let me take it out for you and show you how beautiful this pillow is. So the outer layer is a beautiful plush 100% organic cotton, and so soft, so beautiful. And then the inner filling is made out of 100% wool. So that is incredibly sustainable. It's literally just sheared right off of the sheep and stuffed into this pillow. And let me show you the inside. So the greatest thing about this pillow is it comes really packed. So if you like to sleep on a thinner or more softer pillow, you can take out some of the inner filling, and I'll show you how to do that. The quality of this pillow is so nice. It's just so well made. So we're gonna open up this outer layer, and then there's an inner pillow in here. You're gonna open that, and then the inside you can just pull out, and it's this wool filling. So you can take out as much as you want and save it for maybe a fun art project. And you know, I like my pillows pretty high up. I like my neck to be totally flat. So yeah, if the pillow is really flimsy and too soft, then I don't really sleep well. I'm going to take out a couple handfuls and leave it at that, and then kind of like redistribute everything in there. I think that's probably good. So then it just kind of closes right up. And just kind of redistribute it. So yeah, I've been sleeping on this pillow for probably 2 weeks now, and I love it. I just feel like I've been sleeping really well and having better dreams. You know, I'm not breathing in any toxicity from any of my bedding. I don't use a synthetic laundry detergent either. I use super clean, non-toxic, natural ingredients. So as you can imagine, it's really important to me to have, you know, natural bedding. I have the Sleep and Beyond brand of sheets, as well as the wool comforter, and all of their products are just incredibly amazing. So I feel really healthy and just really good about these products, and I hope you do too.